Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata kasih ngakikan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut. Laki Samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kadang thaulat ban Pynkylla no ika polisi jago Meghalaya bon ban pentikna bagi Samla ki Pule Doktor kinwan phai biang ban Syakri hak jela na kadaw Jingduna jogi Doktor bakerpang khamtam higi jaka sumar kibdan hagi than nongandong hag jing ekran miklat pathai khubor menteri katanat ka koj khia ba wailat migi shala ule thu bag jela ka jupa ik Samla Pule Mbbs manlau snem ndrai bun gi bomjuan phai su ban tre po ka jela khamtam man litre seg jaka nongandong bat kane la bu jing e hadu kata yak Sorkar bat khamtam e yagi pajba.
Right now, if you see the kind of effort, the kind of initiative, the kind of support which the government is giving, and if you see for that matter that Meghalaya is giving 8% of the total budget allocation to health department, the highest in the country right now. And the annual spend, I mean, like the spending, the annual spending of each person in India, the average is 3,500. But in Meghalaya, we are spending more than 7,000 in each person. So I mean, like we are like that shows that the kind of priority we are giving, the kind of push we are giving. But no doubt, just giving money is not enough. But we need to have a vision. We need to have a plan. And as you all know, health department is a very vast department. And as of now, as you could see that, especially this year, we could start the first batch of the doctors in the Shillong Medical College. We have started Shillong Medical College, so that's mean that the medical education also is growing, and now we are trying to convert most of our nursing school to nursing college. So they will get more avenues, and other than that, and then we are trying to come up with because of the shortage of the specialists in the rural areas. So that's why we are sending them for short-term courses also. And from my end, I have sat and discussed with CM and with our team from the medical education also, that we are exploring that if we could come up in the change in this bond policy also. Because most of the issues which we find that no doubt every year we are sending our doctors, but most of them, they don't come back or join their duties, especially in the rural posting. So that's why we are coming up, we are trying that if we could come up with any change in the bond policy where our student who pursue the MBBS, after they complete, they will come and work in our state. Our efforts, no doubt, but as you all know, like I said, there are many challenges, and there are many issues side by side. There is a issue of infrastructure, there's issue of manpower, there is issue of equipment and other thing, and there are issue of stigma, there are issue of people not coming and doing the checkup on time, and also there are many issues. So I think, but what I can say is that we are on the right track. We are getting the kind of priority as expected, and with all the support from the government, I will definitely hope that the thing will improve.
So one more thing, I just wanted to ask about this drug thing, sir. The government had initiated, they were trying to come up with this government-run rehabilitation center, So what's the status, sir, right now?
The status, most of the district, I think there are some of the district which already started. There are some of the district which we are still facing with the problem of the land and the building and all. You all know that because there are some areas which we have to acquire we have to need to have a land, and we have to do the construction and also. It's I don't have the exact details with me right now, but I'm quite sure that there are some district which already started, and there are some district which are still in the process of getting the land and starting.
About competition jungi kam judai ka touch lane kam kodyat madiat, they are never our competition jungi kedai mengi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mengisak sadani ki email pa jong apa di amba yan Pynkylla no syaka guest house lane ka homestay kan. Por bangi Pynkylla ngi ai kerteng ka orange homestay. Pingi sedang sya no ka 4 rooms tamba naka 4 rooms ni sotho ba ma nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand naka daw ka floor jong ki tourist ila sedang bod ading in sala ban expand jo showroom at current ni dan khatsan do habawan kum kini kita che kum mga ngonong mo mga Pule for Institute of Hotel Management kum kini ki big companies bawan shini kalong big opportunities hingi ki youth bangin yo company how jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma bangin la dak Pule tinggi jaka bangin tap shabar ngi la yo ban tap aka state la jong ki tourist ki long la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang ulit sa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience ulit touch budget travelers ki like hakim hotel taki dan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha kom kini ki instay ki tang ha kata hang la ban ka bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lane ki instay lane kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang show receive kawai ka award ma katin ka gold award jam tu sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka kwa tekan ka ni kawai ka pani ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lot ya baro ka try ban promote lo ya baro